Okay, let's do some diagnostics. I got the key in the on position, got my starter button hooked up. I have a tool that checks for spark coming from the coil and distributor. If that thing doesn't flash, then we don't have power going to the spark plugs. So that's your problem right there. Something here in the distributor, the coil, the magnetic pickup, the wiring here, somewhere here is not letting fire go to your spark plugs. As I mentioned before, the distributor had some parts that have been on there for quite a while, and it looks like they just have burned up. So that's without that fire, you can't, the thing won't run. So that's kind of where I am, and at least now I know why it's not starting. It's not fuel related. I do have fuel, and I do show fuel going into the carburetor. Carburetor's fine. The problem is your ignition system that we didn't touch on the last visit. This is Manny with Classic Auto Repair. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Okay, this is video number 2. I have isolated the issue with the no start condition. There's 2 wires that hook up to your coil here, and you can see that they're labeled battery and tack right here. They were the wires were hooked up backwards. This green wire was on the battery. This is your tack wire, and this is your ignition. Let's see if I can show you what I'm looking at here. Okay, so this is your tack wire, and this is your ignition wire to the key. They were in the wrong position. I just checked it for power and restored the start condition on it. So let's get her fired up. There you go. The truck is running fine. I'm gonna hook the tack back up, make sure there's no problems there. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Okay, she's running and starting just fine. I'm going to check the tack. I just connected the tack back to the motor, and it's working too. So we're looking good. I think, like I said, it just I would definitely replace those ignition parts when you can get around to it, and you got to have the wires hooked up right, or this truck won't run. All right. Send this video to you and see what you want to do. Talk to you later.